Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and antenna first. This gets you on air fast. Insert fresh batteries or connect a charged power bank, make sure polarity is correct, and attach an external antenna if you have one to improve reception. Once done, flip the power on, lower the volume to avoid sudden loud noise, and enable backlight if working in low light. This establishes a stable baseline so you can tune and communicate without power or antenna surprises. You now focus on finding the right frequency and mode because the correct band determines who you hear. Start on NOAA weather or designated emergency channels, then use manual tuning to home in on a signal and run a slow scan to catch nearby broadcasts. Save any clear, relevant channels to memory for quick recall. Make sure you set the radio mode, AM versus FM or weather, and adjust squelch so static is muted, but transmissions still break through. You finish by transmitting correctly and confirming reception. Press the PTT, wait a beat, then speak clearly and slowly. Give your call sign, location, and concise message. After each exchange, log frequency, time, and any relevant notes so you can repeat or hand off information. If transmissions fail, first recheck antenna and power, then squelch and mode settings. If still silent, try a different frequency or restart the radio. This closes the loop and keeps communication reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.